Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and I'm going to show you how to make a multi-light shaded chandelier. So first I'm going to go to File, New, and Family, and I'm going to scroll down to Light Fixtures. I'm going to click Ceiling Base. So I've already got mine open here. So go to the reference level. This is the floor plan view. This square right here that you're going to get is like the ceiling for your model. Alright, so now I'm going to go to create extrusion, and I'm going to draw the back plate, or in this case top plate, of the chandelier. If you're modeling after a specific product, obviously go look at the measurements of that back plate, but I'm just going to do random measurements here. So my radius is 4 inches. I'm going to click the check mark, go to the front view, pull this arrow down so there can be a little thickness there, like that much. And I've already moved my light source down. If I kept it up here and kept drawing my components, Revit would give me an error that says light orb is inside of the components and no light source will be emitted during rendering. So if you have that error, just move your light source down some. So now I'm going to go back to the reference level view and draw the actual pole, the center pole that's in the middle of the top plate. So I'm going to go to create extrusion, the circle tool again, and in the center, draw a pole, a circle, and then go to the front view and drag it down like a pole. Okay, so I'm going to go down like that much. I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to draw the legs that actually extrude out from the chandelier. I'm going to draw at least 4 of them. First, I'm going to be in the front view, and I'm going to go to create and click model lines, or you can just type LI on your keyboard. And you need to draw a path, because I'm going to use the sweep tool to do this, and you need a path to use the sweep tool. So I'm going to draw that first. So I'm going to get in the middle here and go out like that much and go up. And staying in the front view, I'm going to go to create and the sweep tool. If this tool has always been confusing to you, congratulations. This is your video because I'll make it real simple. Click that. You see where it says sketch path or pick path? In this situation, I chose to draw the path first. But if you have a different situation, you can sketch your own path. So I'm going to click pick path. This is the path your shape is going to flow on. Alright, so I'm going to click these lines and see how they're pink? That means I've clicked them. So now I'm going to click the check mark and go to the reference level view, the floor plan view. See this red dot? That's where the top of that first line I clicked is. Now I'm going to go to edit profile, and it's going to give me the option to draw. It needs to be a circle, so it can be like a pole. And then I'm going to draw a circle, pretty tiny, nothing too big. Okay, and now I'm going to click check mark again, go to the front view, and if you go to a side view, as you can see, that pole has now extruded, okay, like so. Now I'm going to go to the reference level again, and I'm going to click the create and the blend tool. Now I'm going to draw the lamp shade. Now I don't remember exactly where it is, like my pole is and the reference level, because it's clearly not showing, but that doesn't matter because I can just move the blend over when I'm done. So I'm editing the bottom right now, which is bigger in a lampshade typically, and I'm going to make that big. Now I'm going to click edit top, go to the circle tool again, and just edit the top to be smaller. Okay, and now I'm going to click the check mark, go to the front view, and I'm just going to drag this down like so and toggle it over to be on top of the pole. And now there needs to be an opening, so now I'm going to go to reference level again to create void, because I need to make a void in the lampshade I just made. And I'm going to go to void blend, and I'm editing the top. Well, I'm editing the base right now, and it was 4 inches radius, and I'm going to edit the top For the top, I'm going to make it a little smaller than the 2 inches. And then I'm going to click the check mark and drag this to match up with the lampshade. So when you go to view, you can see there's an opening. If it's orange, just click this button that says cut geometry, and then click what needs to be cut, which is the lampshade, and then click what's cutting, which is that. And now, as you can see, there's an opening in the lampshade, like so. So I'm going to select it, press MM, like so. So this is what it looks like right now, but clearly there needs to be 2 more intersecting that. So I'm going to go to the right view, or the left, and I'm going to turn off the wireframe view. And I'm going to do the same thing again. So create model line, or press LI on your keyboard. Go out. I think I did 11.5. Then go up. Create sweep. Pick path. Pick your lines. Okay. Check mark. Reference level. You see the dot. Edit profile. Circle. Check mark. Check mark. The pole is now there. Reference level. Create. Blend. Now I'm going to draw the lampshade again. Okay, I forgot to film me drawing the void in the right and left view lampshades, but as you can see, it's there. Now one thing I did want to let you people know is that when you are drawing your path, I'm going to click LI on my keyboard to activate model lines. When you're drawing your path, if you don't want this so sharp angle, when you draw it, just draw it like a L and then click this fillet art tool like so, and it'll round it like that. So now when you sketch your path, the pole will be soft edge like this. But other than that, that's pretty much the basic constructs of how to make a multi-light shaded chandelier. I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Have a blessed day.